Much like the last problem, we have a cosine and we have a sine, and so we're going to have to do our conversion. Again, sine, the Pythagorean identity, sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. And I'll go with cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. So I'll do 1 minus sine squared w, or omega, equals negative 9 sine omega, rw. And we need everything on one side. You know what I think I might do is go 0 equals sine squared w minus 9 sine w plus, or that would be a minus 1, wouldn't it? Minus 1 equals, that's already equals 0. Okay. Now in this case, there's not any factoring we can do. 1 times 1 is 1. There's no factors of 1. They're going to add to be 9. No rational function, so we're not going to worry about that. So I'll go ahead and do my u equals sine w. So it's u squared minus 9u minus 1 equals 0. So u is negative of negative 9 plus or minus the square root of negative 9 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 1. That's a 4 there. All divided by 2 times 1. So we have 9 plus or minus, and that's going to give us the square root of 81 minus negative is plus 4 all over 2. So it's going to be 9 plus or minus the square root of 85 over 2. So we turn to our friendly neighborhood calculator to come up with these values. So 1 is going to be u equals 9 plus the square root of 85 divided by 2, and that's approximately 9.10977. And the other one is going to be u equals 9 minus the square root of 85 divided by 2, which that one is approximately negative 0.10977. Now remember, u is sine of w, so we're saying sine of w is going to be 9.10977. Is that possible? Can the sine produce something that large? The answer is no, we can't produce anything bigger than 1. So that avenue is not the right path to go. So we look at sine of w equals negative 0.10977. Now I have this value saved in my calculator, so it'll have more digits there. So w is going to be sine inverse of negative 0.10977. And let me get what that says. And in radians, w would be negative 0.109999389. Okay. Now, the problem is we're told to find solutions between 0 and 2 pi, and this falls outside that interval. And what we're really looking at is an angle that's down here like this. This negative 0.109999389. So we just have to do a little bit of math to find out where it's going to really be. 1 is going to be the fact that it is where it is, but it's 2 pi later. So if we add 2 pi to this, we would have what? Plus 2 pi. And I get w would be negative 0.109999389 plus 2 pi. That's going to be approximately 6.17319. So there's one value. The other one, we're looking at places where sine's negative, and that third quadrant is also negative. So it's going to be negative. So the reference angle, excuse me, would be 0.10999,389. So to get this one, we're looking at pi plus that amount. So the other angle is going to be W equals 0.10999,389 plus pi, and that's going to give us pi plus and I get 3.2515865. I'm looking at the answer key, and it's giving me the values rounded to 3 places as 6.173 and 3.252. So, okay, hope that helps. Have a good day.